Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This, I suppose, is episode 2 of how to use your side hustle to grow your main hustle. Last week, I went over a trip where I picked up a 20-year-old kid from Georgia who moved to California to further his career in social media advertising. He taught me a lot of really cool tips and tricks about how to grow my business outside of rideshare. This week, I drove a guy from Belarus who has lived in America for 6 years. He came to America to pursue a career in basketball and played Division I basketball here in the States. After college, he trained with players like Lebron, Paul George, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Marvin Bagley, Carmelo Anthony, and the list goes on. Now, he has used the knowledge that he learned while trying to pursue a career playing basketball to teach mental development of professional athletes. Along the way, I learned some valuable tips and knowledge from him, from his experiences in the e-commerce field, which I'm working on myself. If you are new to my channel, please remember to check out my website, thestatemate.com. My brother and I, we produce state flag dress socks for all 50 states, as well as some other patriotic themes, and we're working on developing other patriotic products as well. There's a link in the description down below that'll give you 30% off everything in the entire site. And with that shameless plug out of the way, let's get right into the trip. Hey there. How you doing today?
Good.
Where are you visiting from?
I'm not. I live in Long Beach.
Oh, yeah?
I just had a little job over here today.
Yeah, what do you do for work?
I'm in mental performance field.
Nice. Where are you originally from?
Belarus.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Sacramento, so I'm like 6 hours from here. Yeah, that's awesome.
Do you know where Belarus is?
I want to say like Estonia, like somewhere up there, right?
Yeah.
They used to be part of Russia though, yeah? Or part of the USSR?
Yeah.
So you speak Russian or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? Dude, that's wild. How long you been in America?
For about 6.5 years.
What do you think? You like it here?
Oh yeah. Yeah, much better.
And you said you work with training athletes?
Yeah.
You play basketball yourself?
I'm starting to get into it more, yeah. I played basketball in Georgia.
Okay.
University of Georgia.
No way.
Yeah, and I moved here. After college, I went to like training camps with development teams for Lakers.
Oh wow.
And I didn't get signed. And I'm glad it ended up like this, because when I kind of like explored my values, it's not really, I don't really want to play professionally. I value freedom a lot. I value contribution to others a lot.
Right.
And with basketball, I have neither of those. I rather hustle up right now a little bit and do what I actually want to grow into. And it's very hard, because with basketball, like with any professional sport, your body is constant impact, negative impact, and you just got to play through it. And when you're done playing basketball at 30, 35, you're basically walking around like a handicap. Look at Charles Barkley, how he walks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was a world-class athlete. Now he just like struggles to walk. And so they didn't train the same way that players do now. Like if LeBron played 20 years ago, if he wouldn't be retiring, he'd be like on his last leg.
And
I think
LeBron,
like
he definitely either like gets like blood transfusion or something.
You think so, huh?
Yeah, no, for sure. When I still practiced with professionals, I played against him at UCLA, and he, like, young guys were like taking their time to get ready. They were like tired, sluggish at the beginning, and LeBron came as if he did like 2 lines of cocaine, you know.
Oh, so you've been around it, like working out. Yeah. So what? Yeah. So because I've seen videos, it's like, dude, he's older than me, and he just always has like crazy amounts of energy. Yeah.
Of course, he ices his knees right away after he plays.
So he's very systematic about the things he does. Yeah.
I just wrote a book. I'm about to like officially start to advertise it and release it officially in like next 2 weeks. You know Meta World Peace?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he wrote a foreword for it.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Are you like famous in Belarus already?
Not. I'm just trying to. Right now, really value freedom.
Yeah, I feel the same way. So my brother and I, we started a clothing company. We make men's dress socks, and yeah. What's that?
Where do you guys supply them?
Taiwan right now. So hopefully in the next year, next couple months actually, we're gonna try to move production to the States.
Not really Santee Alley, but there's a lot of different manufacturers like downtown LA, and a lot of different big brands have their manufacturer.
Interesting, right there, huh?
Downtown LA,
yeah. Yeah, it's something I definitely want to look into. It'd be nice to make it in America because it's an American thing, but you know, startup cost to do it here, I thought was going to be too much, so we just found something.
Who's your target audience?
So we do a lot of wedding packages. So like groomsmen will get it for like all the, or like the groom will get it for like all the groomsmen in his wedding parties. Usually it's like orders of like 6 to 10 at a time. So that, and we're in a handful of storefronts like Capital gift stores, like the state Capital gift stores and stuff, like 20 to 30. Yeah, we have a website here. I'll let you check that. Obviously,
Shopify.
It's Wix. But it's funny that you say that because there's a guy that I picked up who does online advertising. It's his job. He works freelance, and he recommended that we move to Shopify. He's like, yeah,
I did. I had. It's funny that you say. I had a brand called Meant for Gent.
Okay.
Back in the day, like 2 years ago. Meant for Gent, literally. So basically, but I was drop shipping. So I just took a bunch of stuff from AliExpress that looked somewhat decent. And my message was like, oh, dress for success, like money attracts money. And I basically took, like, I had also socks, I had shoes, I had like those Asian watches, but that looked very quality.
That's sick, man.
With drop shipping, first of all, the shipping times are
it's tough. It's coming from Asia, right?
Yeah, so you cannot really build long-term customer value. And usually when you do drop shipping, you just do it for like 1, 2, or 3 products that are just going viral. It would be just a lot more expensive to have a warehouse for it.
Yeah.
So I just sold it for $7,500.
No way, that's sick.
Yeah.
But you're right. It's tough. Like we're not big enough to afford or warrant a warehouse.
Yeah. What I learned in this process is you gotta test it before you order
100%.
Any kind of bulk, any like.
Right.
You just gotta test it. You gotta find your audience. You gotta find your niche. It's a process, and it was easy like 2 years ago because now you go on Facebook and you see those ads of like novelty products, and you're like, yeah, whatever. I kind of moved out of it at the right time because people are more prepared that it's kind of like a scam, you know?
Right. Yeah.
But like 2 years ago, like during like Q4, December, like November, October, December, tons of money.
So you feel like people are like less receptive to like Facebook advertising now?
Yeah, and they're more receptive for branding rather than single ads. They go with more with trust.
Facebook advertising is something that I'm new to. This region.
Target people who are newlywed, people who are engaged. People, that's.
So, but you know, you gotta test it like until you find like the exact audience.
You need to have some money coming in all the time.
Like out of nowhere, you just like made the site on Shopify and then made money off it and then sold it.
I was playing a lot with e-commerce. I started back in because I grew up in Poland.
Okay.
I started doing like all this eBay type of income with ordering bulk stuff, selling it, like Amazon FBA type of stuff. I was like passionate about e-commerce. I was selling like soft guns, like BB back in the day. That was a good income, but they put like restrictions, and this whole business just like broke. I couldn't get them shipped over here. So when I saw that Meant for Gent, I started like doing some viral products, and I had like, let's say 700 orders in like a week. And
what?
And no, that's not even a good number. But what I'm trying to say is PayPal and Stripe, they like to hold on to money.
Yeah, they do.
Before
yes, they do.
Before
like things are until it's received, right?
Yeah, and with drop shipping, because you need to have capital to order that stuff and then ship it. I was like 20 grand in debt with PayPal just because I couldn't pay for shipping all those items that they ordered. With e-commerce, the best way is to just slowly brand it, not advertise it, but brand it.
Yeah.
In my sophomore year of college, I was doing socks with print, 360 print.
Okay. Oh, like sublimation.
Yeah, sublimation.
Yeah.
With NBA players.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I targeted all the basketball fans. You buy in bulk?
Yeah. So when we placed our initial order from Taiwan, we bought.
What's the margins?
So we pay just over, after we get it in, we pay just over $2 a pair, and we sell them for 12.
That's a lot.
Yeah, it is, but it's because we were making it our, it's a brand new style and design we had to make ourselves.
I
know.
did those sublimation socks.
Yeah, sublimation is a lot cheaper.
9
Yeah.
9 cents a pair.
Yeah, it's a lot cheaper to do sublimation. They're dress socks, right? So they're woven on a jacquard loom. And so they're like, the quality is a little higher, but I want to bring the price down. So tell me about your book.
So it's called The Other 80, Ultimate Guide to Mastering Your Mind. I'm certified in neuro-linguistic programming, and I'm learning right now about hypnotherapy too. LeBron James said that basketball is 20% physical and 80% mental.
Right.
So
So is that kind of where you got the premise for it?
When I played basketball, we had some sports psychologists, but they were like talking very, very vague terminology and like, just come on, just be done with it, Like, from people who never played sports and who try and like talk some fucking science to us. It's just like athletes, especially, they need different approach because they have huge egos,
Right.
And it's good because it helps you compete, but
well, yeah, ego is like part of the motor that gives you the confidence to do things that you wouldn't normally do.
One of my biggest values is contribution,
Right.
And you cannot really have ego and be ego-driven.
And be a contributor, right? Like people.
Kind of, yeah. For example, Kobe Bryant was very ego-driven. Michael Jordan was very ego-driven. But let's take Steph Curry, who is very talented, but he's more for mindfulness. Just look at him, how freely he plays. Like, people stress out a bunch. Like, there's only a few players who actually enjoy playing, and 90% of the league is just hustling to just stay there. My mindset is kind of like my race, my pace, I compete with myself.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So who's your favorite player?
Giannis.
Yeah, he's the next LeBron. He's the next face.
He's just I played with him too, and
oh, no way.
Insane. Yeah, I'm 6'10", and I was closing him out, and he still had like this much.
Like, 'cause he's 7 foot, right?
Yeah, his length is just insane. Like, I look like I'm 6 feet next to him. He just takes you off one dribble, just with one step. You're just behind. I played with Melo too.
Really? No way.
Yeah. Once you have like very stable mid range, like it's hard to guard you. And Melo, he like LaMarcus Aldridge. Dude, I'm thinking because your thing says the state mate, right?
Mm-hmm.
You ever tried to do print on demand? POD? Because like you already have a name, and I'm just thinking, because like you have socks, and maybe like I personally didn't make money with it, but I know people that make a lot of money with different T-shirts saying like some state related, for example, stuff.
Right.
I'm from Georgia and something. It's called print on demand, and then you don't have to order bulk. Then you have a design for each state, and you advertise specifically to the state. So it's narrow audience, and you just gotta be creative with the design.
With the design, yeah. Because
I have a friend Russian friend who made a lot of money with advertising stuff for Russian-speaking people in States, and you can pick the audience, Russian-speaking. I love Russia, but America's better, or something like that.
Right, yeah.
It's personal. You know?
Yeah,
when
yeah.
you see it,
if it connects with you, buy it. Yeah.
It's relatable. Yeah, and the good thing about this, you don't have to order bulk.
When he was getting stuff made, did he get it made here, or is it made somewhere else?
It's here. There's plenty print on demand. Like when you have a Shopify store, there's apps that are connected to the Shopify store that are print on demand apps. For example, Printful is one of them. And
wow.
You can, because StateMate is already saying that this is something with states and something with, I don't know, mate. What do you?
Well, my wife's Australian, so that's like where where the name came from. So.
With Australian.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. They're a handful.
And you can do cups, you can do shirts, you can do socks, you can do whatever, towels, pillows. The good part about the name, there's no specifically that it sucks, you know. So you can drift away from it.
Yeah. And I want to read your book.
I'll just give you the website.
Okay.
It's gonna be in Barnes and Nobles in like 2.5
That's sick.
weeks.
That's sick. Ron Artest is a forward.
Yeah.
That's so dope. So I'm a Sacramento Kings fan. So when he played for the Kings, I was he got traded from the Pacers to the Kings for Peja.
I met Peja when I went to workouts for Reno Bighorns. He's a cool dude. He's really cool. I don't really remember how he played, but I used to go to camps in Serbia, so I kind of like connected with him.
Yeah.
I kind of speak like a little. I can understand and say some like cool stuff in Serbian. So we kind of clicked, but Reno didn't pick me up.
Man, that sucks.
Maybe I suck.
No, I doubt it. If you're 6'10" and you ball. It's like, dude.
Oh, dude, Bagley, I played a Drew League with him.
Oh, yeah?
2 years ago, he was like just dominating. He was still in high school. He was dominating.
Wow.
Like they played after one of the games. I saw him playing against James Harden team, and James Harden and Montrezl Harrell. Yeah, he was really good.
Sick. So you played against all these dudes. You played in the Drew League. You played in the G League. Or you played in the summer camp. So
I didn't get into G League. I figured that it's not my thing. in the right time. I totally could go back to Europe, but I just like it here. And plus, all this knowledge from e-commerce is just going to be really good.
Yeah, well, you taught me a lot just in 30 minutes.
Yeah. Thanks.
So actually, I'm seriously, I'm going to look into that Printful stuff.
Yeah, I'll write down the website.
Yeah, just put it in there for me. Yeah, I'm definitely reading this.
Yeah, you can order it today actually, because it's
okay.
It's not in Barnes and Nobles, but it's on my website.
Right.
You can get it already. And I also do it print on demand, so I don't have to buy like stock or anything.
Oh no, that's crazy. So it's just like however many copies you sell, that's how many get made.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
Yeah, it was a pleasure to meet you, dude.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, we'll see ya. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, and I don't think that you have because my analytics say that 90% of my viewership is from people that are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my future content. If you stayed with me all the way to the end and you heard about the book that my newfound friend has just written with Meta World Peace as the foreword of the book, please check out the link in the description to his website. It's not getting me any monetary gain at all. I just thought it'd be really cool to help promote his book. I thought he was a great guy. I'm looking forward to reading it myself. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, again, please give this a huge thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. God bless you and have a great day.